All right, so here's your last two practice questions here. We are multiplying by a fraction. So remember, the key is to multiply by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 5/6 is 6/5. So we're multiplying that by 6/5. And because I multiplied the left-hand side by 6/5, I also need to multiply the right-hand side by 6/5. So these cancel, leaving W. And this is 10 times 6 is 60 over 5, which you will recognize as 12. Excuse me. Sorry. And our last one here, this is -3/4 m. We have, we're multiplying by -3/4. So to undo that, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, -4/3, which means I need to take 9 times -4/3. On the right-hand side, the fractions cancel, leaving just m. This is 9 times 4, which is -36, or -4, and that's divided by 3, or -12. Questions, comments, concerns, make sure you leave them or ask your teacher. Otherwise, let's go to the last little bit here, which is to solve a context question. So here we have, in the 2004 Olympics, Sean Crawford won the 200-meter dash. His winning time was 19.79 seconds. We want to find his average speed to the nearest tenth of a meter per second. So if we're talking about finding average speed, there's a formula that we've looked at for average speed. It's distance equals rate times time, or D equals RT for short. To find our average distance, our average speed, we're going to just plug into this equation. So we're going 200 meters. That's my distance. And he did that time in 19.79 seconds. So that's my time. So we have R times 19.79. Okay, so there's my equation. The formula, distance equals rate times time. The D, the 200, we can just plug in for D. And the time was 1979. So now it's just a matter of solving the equation. We are multiplying these two things together, which means we need to divide by 19.79. And with the decimal like this is probably a good opportunity to use your calculator to figure this one out here. So we've got 200 divided by 19.79. Which is, the rate is 10 point, and then it says to nearest tenth of a meter, so that's just one decimal point. So this is 10.10, or rounded to 10.1 meters per second. All right, and that's it. That's the last of what we've got here for section 2.2. If you've got any questions, again, you can leave them in comments or talk to your teacher. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you another time. Bye.